I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Ooh, adventure's inside. Ooh, can't wait. I love adventure. Check this out. Ooh, one of them. All right, what we have here is the Tusk Excursion Rackless Luggage System. Basically some saddlebags that's gonna drape over the rear fender of the motorcycle. Plan on putting a sleeping pad in here, sleeping bags, camping stuff. Gonna go do some moto camping off the bike. Can't wait. Coming in hot! Well, I'm hoping this system will work great with my rotopax mounted to my rear fender. So install's pretty straightforward. You got 3 bolts on each side per bag to bolt to this top pad here. And then a strap off each bag, go around your frame. Watch out for heat, pinch points, sharp edges. I hooked it around there. I've got an idea to change that up a bit. It's not going to rub the exhaust. Don't need the heat shield with this model and where I placed the bags. So on the top pad it has these 4 D-rings for more straps to carry more luggage. And they would wrap around your top bag and clip together. Hold that nice and secure. Also has these compression straps. So from there, you go through the D-ring on the bag. And hold your bag tight there. Keep them from jiggling around a little bit more. A little more secure. More solid, more secure. All right, so if you didn't have a top rack, you'd use these 2 anchor points and bolt them to your fender. And these 2 straps would pull backwards. Since I have this rotopax mount, it's pulling against it right there. I'm not gonna use these 2 anchor points here on my fender. Just gonna hope that holds there. Now these 3 bolts, the bolt head's right there. My rotopax will rest on it and rub, and it holds it up. See the gap there? So I don't want it to rub a hole in my rotopax. So I'm going to remove these 3 bolts. These are the rear fender straps. I'm going to remove them. And the compression strap, I was wondering what the heck I'm going to do to move that up about 1 inch. That's all I need, about 1 inch to clear it. But I've got a brilliant idea. I'm going to take the right side and hook it to the left side there, and the left side, and hook it to the right side there. Hook to those bolts. I think it'll work fantastic. There, those compression straps are crisscrossing one to the other side. I think they'll work as designed. They'll be just as effective. Hold that together. Got the gap. The gap's gone underneath the rotopax. More threads holding it down. Yeah, I'm excited to get out and go moto camping. I've got a different idea for these anchor points. I think I'm going to take them and utilize this bolt here, bolt it on there and there. I don't like how that's bunched up right there, so I'm going to find the proper bolt, or maybe that one's long enough. And then put that there and strap to it. I think the straps will last longer that way also. Better feed the kitties. So I took the fender mount brackets that were intended for the rear fender. I put one here. And one on the other side also. All right, oodles of extra strap here. I'm gonna cut it off. Singe the end so it don't fray. I'll hang on to the extra strap just in case this breaks, wears through right there or something, rips. I can just sew in a new piece. So 15-liter bag here, 15-liter bag there, 22-liter bag there, 52 liters of storage, plus the bottle bags, one on each side. Ready for adventure. Also came with these bottle bags. Use the Molly system with these sticks. It has the same webbing on the back of this bag. And you weave these sticks through, in and out, weave together. Looks like a pretty slick system. Molly sticks have a pretty good lock on there. So to remove it, just gotta pull it up. It's got little teeth there that bite into that strap. So it should prevent getting lost, getting pulled out by sticks and things. Hold up to a 32-ounce bottle, Gatorade bottle or so. MSR also built some fuel cans. Small fuel bottles that'll fit in there that would be handy. But I packed 1-gallon rotopax. Lots of buckles and straps to keep track of. Alright, also comes with these water resistant liners. Help protect your stuff in the event of a storm. Liners make a nice little handle there. Pull your stuff out. All right, install was simple, pretty straightforward. As far as this bike goes, it just has 2 straps on it, one on each side, and then hooked on with the rotopax mount. I'm excited, feels like good durable bags, plenty of storage for what I'm doing, perfect setup for the bike I have. I'm so excited, I've got a Moto camping trip coming up and it's forecast to be about 32 degrees Fahrenheit for the overnight low. So maybe I'm a little bit too excited to go Moto camping, but yeah, subscribe, join along. Now let's see how quick I can remove it. Not too quick. Well, if it's this hard to get off, it ain't gonna fall off very easy. Just like that.